everyone, how are you all? I am Tara and I am back again with one more unboxing. What I'm unboxing today, I'm unboxing a very latest handbag from Louis Vuitton. The style is not new, but the collection is very latest and from their 130th anniversary celebration of their monogram canvas, which is house's popular canvas. So the Louis Vuitton has now reimagine their monogram in three different canvases. So I got one of them and the name is the Origin, and the bag is so beautiful, you guys. Are you guys excited to see what I got from the 130th monogram celebration from the house of Louis Vuitton? So let's go and do the unboxing. So the bag is in this box and the box came in this packet. Okay, and this is how the unboxing looks like. Let's go and do the unboxing. So are you guys excited what I got from the 130th celebration of monogram? This is a very exciting collection though, because it is a memorable collection because Louis Vuitton is celebrating 130th anniversary of their monogram. So I picked one of the most beautiful bags from the collection. Are you guys excited? So let's go and reveal what I got. Ta-da! Here she is. She is the side trunk bag from Louis Vuitton. This is the house's signature bags, and it comes in three different sizes: mm, gm, and pm. Gm, mm, and pm. So this is the mm size. Then one size bigger is gm, then pm, and it also comes in east west style also, and complete leather. So this is canvas. It comes in various canvases and leather. So my canvas is from the 130th anniversary celebration, and the name is the Origin, the name of the canvas. And how gorgeous is this bag? Look at the hardware. Look at this, the color of the strap. Look at the leather. It's such a good quality and such a value added to my collection of bags. So are you guys excited to see how the bag looks from inside? Yeah, I'm in love with this bag already, you guys. So this is how the bag opens, and uh, inside it has enough space uh, to keep all your essential. I'll show what fits in also after showing the bag. So it comes with one adjustable and removable strap, okay, where you can put the strap here. So this strap is also removable, and you can take this bag as complete clutch also if you want. So all the straps are removable, and this is not adjustable, this is removable, and this is adjustable strap. Very good length for the crossbody. Okay, and the bag is very beautiful, and yeah, they are signature bags. So yeah, so after putting the strap, the bag looks like this. Okay, so it comes with one address tag only for the 130th monogram celebration collection. This address tag is not in their regular side trunk bag. This is only for the 130th anniversary celebration collection. So yeah, I'm in absolute love with this bag. I wanted to add a side trunk in my collection, side trunk or bag in my collection. Then what could be better than this canvas? The bag already looks so gorgeous. So now let's go and see what fits inside this bag. This is this size mm, and there is one size smaller and one size bigger, and it comes in east west also, as I've already mentioned, in various beautiful leather. But for me, side trunk, I always find side trunk in the monogram canvases. In all the canvases, I never liked it in complete leather for some reason. Do let me know in the comment which one you like. Inside it's suede, very good quality suede, and white, creamish white color, and there's one tag also. Yeah, so this is how it looks from inside. No inner zip compartment, you guys. So let's go and see what all fits in the Louis Vuitton side trunk bag in the size mm. Okay, and if you guys want to see the mod shot, go and Follow me in my on my Instagram. I'll be posting pictures with it where I'll be carrying it crossbody on shoulder. So yeah, for that, go and subscribe, go and follow me on Instagram. And thank you so much for watching my videos. I love you all. You know, thank you so much for dropping comments and liking my bag videos. I'm so grateful for that. And yeah, so if you guys want to have a closer look of this bag, you can see it. So you can see the tag also. This is the address tag which says Louis Vuitton, and this is also removable. And let's go and see what all fits in. So the main question is the bigger size phone fits in? Of course, it fits in perfectly well. And a sunglass of this size with a huge box, it also fits in. House keys fits in. Two card holders fits in well. And lipstick. This is my favorite shade from Hermes, which I'm wearing right now. And then a lip pencil fits in, and two lipstick fits in. Let's see if one this size, big size of perfume bottle also fits in or not. So it fits in completely fine, and still have some space in it, you guys. So this size is my favorite. PM size does not fit phone, by the way. Let me tell you guys, it looks big, the PM size, one size smaller, but it does not fit for phone. So this is how you close the bag. Did you hear that click? So this is how it closes. And how gorgeous is this canvas? So this bag, of course, has already added value to my collection because this is from the 130th celebration of the canvas. I don't buy. I am a bagaholic girl, and I buy lots of bag, but I don't buy random bags. I first have to love that bag. I do some research, then I buy the bag. So this bag is perfect for to add value to my collection. And yeah, drop a heart or comment or any question you have, and do subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Lots of unboxing coming up, and go and watch the previous unboxings in my channel. And yeah, this is it for today, and there is one more unboxing coming up after this video. So there is one more bag I got from Louis Vuitton. So here it is. That will be in my next video, you guys. So stay tuned to like, to subscribe and share if you want. Thank you so much for watching. Bye all.